Thank you for joining us on The Remote Traveler. Today we'll be checking out Anjar. Please be sure to like and subscribe.
نتشكر انضمامكم للشانل تبعنا حتى تلقوا نظرة اليوم على منطقة جديدة بلبنان واللي هي عنجر.
Anjar is a town located in the Bekaa Valley of Lebanon. With a population of 2,400, it consists almost entirely of Armenians. The town sits just a few short miles or kilometers away from the Syrian border. Its foundation is normally attributed to the Umayyad Caliphate Al-Walid I at the beginning of the 8th century as a palace city. Today, Anjar is an example to many of the other entities in the region because of its low crime rate, reduced air pollution, and high living standards. And if you're here, you'll really be able to tell because everything just even smells green. The pines, the breeze blowing through. It's just a great feeling. These Umayyad Ruins have been recognized as a World Heritage Site. The city ruins cover 114,000 square meters and are surrounded by large fortified stone walls over 2 meters thick and 7 meters high. As you've probably already noticed the Roman-style columns, the rectangular city design was actually based on Roman city planning and architecture with stonework borrowed from the Byzantines. The partially rebuilt Grand Palace is 59 meters by 70 meters and includes a wall and is preceded by a series of arcades. Its central hash, which is a courtyard, is surrounded by a peristyle. The city is actually divided into 4 quadrants. There's 2 large avenues, the Cardo Maximum, which runs north to south, and the Decumanus Maximus, which runs east to west. That tall structure you see in front of you there is known as a tetrapylon, which was usually used at a crossroads. So it has a gate on each of the 4 sides. A perhaps lesser known fact about Anjar is that it was never actually completed and enjoyed only a brief existence of use. Built at the beginning of the Islamic period, it reflects the transition from a Byzantine culture to the development of Islamic art. And thank you so much for joining us on this tour of Anjar. Please be sure to like and subscribe to The Remote Traveler.